Welcome to this technical guide on the HP15 SFQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP15 SFQ won't turn on at all, you are not alone. This issue is often caused by a faulty power supply or internal components that may have failed. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage and potentially costlier repairs down the line. So, let's get started and see how we can fix this. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply or any faulty component you may identify. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully placing your HP15 SFQ on a flat surface. Using the plastic prying tool, gently insert it into the seam around the laptop's base. Work your way around the edges, being cautious not to damage the casing. Once open, locate the power connector, it's usually near the battery. Check for any visible damage or loose connections. If the power connector appears faulty, gently disconnect any cables attached to it. When removing screws, ensure you keep track of their sizes as you will need the same ones for reassembly. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the power connector carefully. Apply a moderate amount of force, but be cautious not to strip the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old power connector, take your new one and align it properly. Reattach the screws, ensuring they are secure but not over-tightened. Once you have replaced the faulty component, reconnect any cables you previously detached. Before closing the device, double-check everything is in place to avoid any loose connections. To close the laptop, gently press the base back together, ensuring it clicks into place. Finally, plug in the device and attempt to power it on. If it turns on, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your HP15 SFQ. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, ensure your device is regularly maintained, avoid using it on soft surfaces that can block ventilation, and regularly check for software updates. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.